Hi, welcome to Rolling Acres. Your first time here? Great, let's just go over the rules then. Rule number 1, no contingencies. Rule number 2, no investors. Rule number 3, no broker co-op. Rule number 4, number 47. Great, just so you know, the price just went up by $15,000. Excuse me. By $20,000. Oh, you want to buy a house today? Well, that's cute. My assistant over here will take your name, put you on the list. We'll call you in 7 months. Bubble? This is not a bubble. $20,000 off the price? Yeah, landscaping. Well, oh, sure. My ring? Okay. The rules of financing have changed a little bit. It ain't as easy as it used to be. Yes, but you see, this is called a price increase. This is what happens when the prices actually go up.
Hey, what's it going to take to get you to sign up on our waiting list for a home that you can buy, but we have no idea when? Why buy now? Because it's 2019 and everything is so stable. We're in such a good place as a society, as an entire world. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Well, that you can't go. But if you have one, then you won't. Well, do you want to see the home first? No? You don't care? Do you want to know what the price is? No, that doesn't matter. Oh, you have a suitcase full of cash. Well, yes, you can buy a home. We just can't guarantee you we can deliver it this year, or next year, or the year after that. But I do want to talk about the price escalation clause in your contract. Oh yeah, the market is great. I mean, really, really great. I mean, by that is to say, we think it's great. There are moments when it doesn't feel great, but we're pretty sure the market is great. You get an incentive, and you get an incentive, and you get even more incentives.